Huh? Aw. Shadow. It's almost 10 o'clock. And I'm going to pick up Bob Joe right now, and we're going to go to Ironwood and look for some guys. Here comes the S-curves. We're almost to Bob Joe's house. Here we are at Bob Joe's house, and now we're gonna wait for her.
That's funny.
I video camera myself down.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Did you like see us the whole way I got in the car?
No, I lost you because I started laughing, but now you can.
Oh jeez, okay. I'll get that started.
It's just gonna be dark if you shine it in the car. But it's cool when you shine it on the road because you see like your headlights. Just when you, I don't know. Like it looked like I was just so lonely. Going down here. Well, no, I mean like if you put it on me right now, you probably wouldn't be able to see me. You could just see it.
Just like
behind.
your shadow. Oh, I saw you. So yeah, we're heading to a party right now. Not a party.
I said we're going to Ironwood to look for guys.
Yeah, we don't really look for guys. We have guys. And we're gonna go have some fun. Oh yeah. I'm sure you couldn't see me right now, but now you can. Yeah, that's right. Okay, we gotta call Sammy and let her know. Yeah, well, we're gonna turn you off now until we get up there.
Wait, hit the red record button.
See you later.
Bye. It's recording on you. Sammy Night. Sammy Night. Say hi. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Watch, now record us. Record us. Record us. Get in here. Me and Sammy are bored, and we're sitting outside waiting for Bob Joe to come out of this house. Because they're kind of smelly and dirty and scummy. And are you coming into my house?
You want me to?
And we are listening to Sammy's awesome phone, playing music.
Do you want me to say that right or what?
If you want to. And it's Christmas, and there's nothing to do except sit in my car and watch Sammy on her phone. So let's zoom on in to Sammy's nose.
Hi. I'm sleeping at Carrie Ann's tonight.
Sammy's nose
Okay.
is not good.
Bye.
So boring.
Yeah.
So boring. Let's get some music going. Yeah. Oh, I never sent it. Sammy. Now, what did you get for Christmas? Bill the camera. What?
I got some money and some clothes.
And Tell everybody what you got your mom for Christmas.
Yeah. And I got some socks
Oh, wait, it's on your chin.
and
And?
some more money and some earrings. See?
Some big.
See,
wait,
look at
the
these
other side,
earrings.
The
Look
other
at these
side.
earrings.
Some big bracelets.
Yeah.
You can fit your wrist through them.
And a purse.
Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. The car's not coming. Sammy got a purse.
and
Sammy's cappuccino right there. Here would be. Wait. Ooh. And
And I didn't get robbed.
wait, huh? What was that, Sammy?
I said, and I didn't get robbed.
Oh boy.
What your friend?
Huh?
Would you let her take your friend?
Wait, is she gonna?
Because I know my mom would freak out if I let her take mine.
Sammy is drinking her cappuccino.
Mmm. Yummy.
Me too. Mmm. Yummy.
Carrie Ann, what did you get for Christmas?
I got
Yeah.
House of Wax.
What did you want?
I wanted Chad Michael Murray.
Oh.
And I got Chad Michael Murray.
What other guy you want, huh? Yeah.
Terrence.
Oh.
I
I
got
got Rob.
I got some perfume. Okay, that's not on me. I got some perfume.
Some perfume, yeah.
And some CDs
Some CDs.
to burn.
What kind of CD? Oh.
Duh. And a homecoming video.
And what else?
And gift certificates.
Me too, Abelman.
JCPenney's and Fashion Bug.
Oh.
And I got
Dude, let's go to Fashion Bug. Oh,
Duh.
let's go to Ashland tomorrow.
Ashland doesn't have anything.
The JCPenney's.
No, not really. Oh wait, I just finished. Excuse me.
And you lost $4 playing bingo.
Yes, I did. I lost $4 playing bingo at my grandma's.
Oh.
And I got shampoo from Bobby Joe. But I didn't get a new car.
Oh. Me neither.
Aww. Aww. Where's the camera on me?
So Carrie Ann.
So, Sammy, how's
You could
Rob?
be, you could.
Okay, no, interview me.
You could be with any person right now. Who would you be with? Huh? Come on.
Oh, there's a couple
You're
people.
being recorded.
There's a few people.
Ooh. Repeat.
No, I'm gonna say serious answers now.
Seriously.
Herpes? Also known as Andy, right? Stupid Jake.
Yeah.
Stupid Nick.
Yeah.
Retarded Ray. And Sammy Knight.
Yeah.
Always Sammy Knight, duh.
Yeah. Aw. You know who I'd be with? Rob. Yeah. Shake your head. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I wish I could be with Terrence right now.
Oh my God.
Because
You
Terrence
could get
is
all
so...
used.
Oh.
Oh, he is hot, but he's so Claire.
Oh.
Oh, look at this. Carrie Ann.
I know, I already
Horny.
zoomed in on it.
Horny. See that? Horny. Horny. What'd she say? That's Bobby Joe.
Nobody wanna say.
Bobby Joe. What Bobby Joe have to say?
No. Wait, I don't know how this would work.
What?
Or should I be like, what if I...
No, just have her.
No, because she's not going to spend the night, so our cars, we'd either have to give her a ride home when she got here.
Okay.
Well, you'd give her a ride from my house, even if it's at like 2 in the morning. Even if my dad's home?
Yeah.
What if we're sleeping by then?
I'll go out the front door.
Huh?
I'll
You
go
can't get out that door.
What are you
Or
doing?
I could
Quiet.
just be like, what if we gave you a ride home right now and you brought your car back up?
Or say, how about I'll run you to get your car in the morning. If you could just drive it to her house. No.
Do that though.
Yeah. I mean,
Huh?
yeah. I don't know. I would let her take mine. I just know my mom would like freak out.
Should I ask what if we brought you to Besmore and you drove your car back here?
Yeah.
Because if she's not going to sleep, say she's up here till like 2, you know,
Yeah.
then she's going to have to come to my house and get a ride to her house.
Mm-hmm.
So, Sammy, where's that interview?
Okay. If you could do one person right now, who would you do?
What kind of question is that?
Question.
Marie!
Wrong answer.
Rob!
Yeah.
That's not for me.
Not for you, for me.
Then what'd you
Rob.
ask me? Jake! No.
Jake, you already did that. I probably shouldn't say that on video. Cut. Explicit that. I mean,
Edit.
edit that. Let's see. I think your battery
Sammy.
is about to die.
What was it saying? Low battery?
It's blinking. Battery.
Well, I think it'll say. Oh, okay, then oil black. If Sammy could do one person, who would she do?
Rob.
Oh, a black guy. She know what to say about black guys.
You know what else they say?
They
Do it, carry on with me.
They smell.
They smell. Yeah, yeah.
They smell.
They smell. Okay, I hear that voicemail from last night. Did you delete it?
I deleted it. They smell like Sammy night.
They smell like shit. Oh shit.
Wait, I have to get you on there doing that.
They smell like shit. I was doing that last night and I had my sister and Katie almost peeing their pants because I kept going, oh shit. It was, oh
Me and
shit.
Sammy are still sitting in my car,
Smelly.
waiting for Bobby Joe. Just sitting here in a lonely road in Ironwood. And let's see what Bobby Joe has to say. What time is it? It is
23.
also known as 11:30
Or 11:20.
or 11:30.
11:25.
Okay, 11:23. Sammy is drinking. Oh, let's look at my nice little beads in my snowboard. Look at that. Doesn't she have a phone? Doesn't she have the time on her phone? In the mirror. Sammy's butt is in the mirror. Sammy's face is right up in the camera. Zoom in on her.
Let's not.
Hey, do it. No, it's. Wait, quit moving so it can focus on like your eye. Oh, it's not going to. Oh, there's Sam's eye. What's on?
Hi.